In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy website style in Kajabi. If you want to reuse the design, layout, and overall styling of an existing page without rebuilding everything from scratch, Kajabi makes that process very simple. The easiest way to do it is by duplicating a page, which creates a copy of that page's settings and styling, so you can use it as a starting point for a new version. To begin, head over to your Kajabi dashboard. This is your main control center, and it's where you'll access the website tools needed for this process. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Website. This will open the section where Kajabi stores and manages your site content, including the pages that make up your website. From there, click on Website Pages. This area displays the pages currently available on your site, so you can review the list and find the one that already has the style you want to copy. Next, locate the specific page you want to use as your template. When you find it, click the three-dot menu icon next to that page. This menu contains additional actions you can take for that page. Then, select Duplicate. Kajabi will create an exact copy of that page's settings and styling, which is the key step if your goal is to copy the website style quickly and accurately. After duplicating the page, you'll have a new version to work from, allowing you to keep the original page unchanged while editing the copy as needed. This is especially useful if you want to maintain brand consistency across multiple pages, or speed up your workflow when creating similar content. That's all it takes to copy a website style in Kajabi. By duplicating an existing page, you can preserve the look and feel you already like and save yourself time during setup and design.